All right, the installation is done. So we got 6 PowerSonic sealed rechargeable batteries. They're AGMs, 12 volt, 105 amp hour. They're connected to a 2000 watt inverter. That's a modified sine wave inverter. Battery cutoff, 250 amp breaker. I've got the Renogy 30 amp battery charge controller in. The battery monitor with a Hall sensor is put in, and I have leads connected to the batteries for monitoring that, as well as there's a temperature sensor for the batteries too. So all that stuff is in. The batteries are on a platform. Platform is screwed to the bottom and then braced from side to side. The batteries cannot move left or right, front or back. And short of the fifth wheel rolling over, we're good to go. So one more day and we'll be on our way to our first camping trip for the season. And we're in good shape. All right.